Hello children, welcome to SJECE classes where learning never stops. This is first part of chapter 1 Memory and Storage Devices. In this part we will learn about data and information, memory and data storage units. Data and information. What is data? The collected facts and figures are known as data. Raw facts and figures are known as data. The input that we give to a computer is called data. A number, character, alphabet which we give to the computer known as data. The output which we get after processing is known as information. The output obtained from a computer is called information. You can easily understand data and information by an example. Your mark sheet has data of marks obtained in various subjects. The marks which you are having in various subjects are known as data, and when this data is used to calculate your final grade, your total grade, then it becomes an information. You all know that computer works on IPO cycle: input, process, output. User gives input to the computer by using input devices. After this, processing device means CPU process on that data and give us information. Computer memory. Computer memory is the hardware of a computer that stores data and information. A computer uses its memory to store information just like human brain. We all are having brain to store all the information. It is difficult to remember things without memory. We all are having memory. That's why we can understand and learn the things for so many days. Just like computer also has memory to store all the information, the data, the information, all the work stores in the computer memory. A computer cannot understand Hindi, English or any other language. It cannot understand any language. It can understand only machine language. And machine language is written in the binary code. Binary code having two digits 0 and 1. 0 and 1 is known as binary digits. The smallest unit of computer memory is bit. 8 bits make up 1 byte. Computer's memory is measured in bytes. 8 bits make up 1 byte. Here are the different sizes of memory. 1024 bytes make up 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobyte make up 1 megabyte. 1024 megabyte make up 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabyte make up 1 terabyte. 1024 terabyte make up 1 petabyte. These are the kinds of memory. There are two types of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is also known as main memory or internal memory. Secondary memory is known as external memory or permanent memory. Primary memory is also having two types, RAM and ROM. And there are so many types of secondary memory: hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, pen drive, memory card, cloud storage are some examples of secondary memory. In next video, we will understand these types of memory briefly. Okay, thank you for watching.